Looking for the best laser levels to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. HOTO Laser Level. This is the best laser level you can buy for the price and offers exceptional versatility with its 3-plane leveling and alignment system. This self-leveling tool projects 12 green cross lines, providing 360-degree coverage in horizontal and vertical planes. The bright green laser lines ensure high visibility, even in well-lit environments. With both manual and pulse modes, it adapts to various working conditions. The device features IP54 waterproof protection, enhancing its durability for use in challenging construction environments. USB-C charging adds convenience, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The included remote controller allows for easy operation from a distance, improving efficiency on job sites. This laser-level self-leveling capability ensures accuracy and saves time during setup. It's particularly useful for tasks such as picture hanging, tile installation, and general construction work. The tool's compact design makes it portable and easy to position in tight spaces. Number 2. DOVOH K4-360G. This is our runner-up pick and is a highly accurate 4D laser level with impressive features. It projects 16 lines across 4 planes, including 2 horizontal and 2 vertical 360 degrees planes, making it versatile for various construction applications. The device boasts a self-leveling range of plus or minus 4 degrees and a setting speed of approximately 4 seconds. With an IP54 rating, it offers protection against dust and moisture. The K4-360G has a working range of 66 feet, 20 meters, in normal conditions, extendable to 197 feet, 60 meters, with a laser receiver in pulse mode. Its dual 7.4V 2600 mAh Li-ion batteries provide up to 6 hours of continuous operation with all lines active. The laser level features both self-leveling and manual modes, allowing for precise alignment and angled projections. DOVOH offers a 5-year accuracy warranty, demonstrating confidence in the product's long-term performance and durability. Number 3. LASGOO LG 3D. The LG 3D offers impressive versatility with its 3-axis, 360-degree green laser lines. This self-leveling tool projects horizontal and vertical lines for accurate alignment in various applications. Its green laser diodes provide enhanced visibility, with a working range of up to 30 m in standard mode and 100 m with a laser receiver. The device features a rechargeable Li-ion battery that lasts approximately 10 hours per charge. With an IP54 rating, it's suitable for dusty and damp work environments. The LG 3D includes useful accessories like a magnetic rotating stand and laser target plate. Its compact design and carrying bag enhance portability. The auto-leveling function, coupled with a manual mode option, allows for precise alignments. Number 4. Dewalt DW088K. This laser level is a highly accurate self-leveling cross-line laser, offering precision within plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet. This DeWalt model projects bright red horizontal and vertical lines, making it versatile for various leveling and layout applications. Its durable overmolded housing can withstand a 1-meter drop, while the IP54 rating ensures resistance to water and debris. The laser features a full-time pulse mode, allowing use with a detector for extended range up to 165 feet. With a magnetic pivoting base and a 1/4-inch thread mount, it's easily attachable to metal surfaces or tripods. The DW088K operates on 3 AA batteries, providing up to 20 hours of runtime.